The incident you're referring to involves a dramatic multi-vehicle collision in Indianapolis, Indiana on October 17, 2024. A dashcam video capturing the event shows an SUV running a red light at the intersection of 82nd Street and Hague Road around 12:30 p.m. This SUV collided with another vehicle, causing it to become airborne and land atop a third SUV. This is the terrifying moment a semi-truck carrying a load of 25-foot steel pipes collided with a tanker truck that suddenly pulled into its path in Lufkin, Texas, on September 18, 2024. The impact caused the semi-truck to lose its load, with steel pipes penetrating the cab and flattening it. Miraculously, the driver survived and was hospitalized with only minor injuries.
Really? You idiots. Mother... There we go! God damn it! God damn! That dude is not okay. Mother... He's gone.
A tragic accident shook the roads of Gachincipa, Colombia, on the morning of March 31, 2025. Two intermunicipal buses collided on the Bogota-Tunja highway near the Los Robles toll station, leaving 2 dead and 30 injured. According to reports, the crash happened at 6:53 a.m. when a Cotransipa bus stopped to pick up a passenger. At that moment, a Copetran bus in the left lane failed to stop in time, crashing into the stationary bus. The impact was so severe that one of the buses overturned, leaving both vehicles heavily damaged. In a heart-stopping incident in Ningbo, Zhejiang Province, China, a truck driver narrowly escaped death when 2 massive concrete piles crashed through his cab. The driver had been transporting the concrete piles to a construction site for a new high-rise building. While navigating a slip road onto a motorway, he noticed some of the pillars had fallen off the back of his truck, landing on the hard shoulder. Upon braking suddenly, 2 remaining concrete piles slid forward, piercing through the truck's cabin and narrowly missing him. Miraculously, he survived the ordeal without serious injury. This incident took place in Bangladesh. A passenger bus, speeding recklessly, tried to overtake a truck, and that's when the tragic accident occurred. This accident happened in China. While trying to take a turn, the car flipped over and crashed onto another vehicle. It all happened in a matter of seconds. The driver got stuck between 2 approaching trams at the Conejo intersection in Brno. It was a terrifying moment. The police later released footage of the incident, captured by a street surveillance camera. A major road accident occurred in Jaipur, Rajasthan, when a trailer suddenly fell off a culvert on the expressway and crashed right onto a moving tractor below. The horrifying moment was captured by a nearby CCTV camera. In this video, a bike rally is seen moving down the road, but suddenly, a man walking through the middle loses his balance and falls right onto the street. What happens next is complete chaos. As if someone knocked over a line of dominoes, the bikes crash and scatter one after another like a house of cards. This tragic footage is from Heiwan, Guangdong, China, and was captured on January 3, 2025. At a major intersection, a white BYD sedan suddenly lost control and crashed at high speed into the rear of a large cargo truck. The impact was devastating. The truck flipped over, and the small car was torn apart. Debris was scattered everywhere. The female driver of the sedan died instantly. Thankfully, the truck driver and a passenger survived with minor injuries. Initial reports suggest the crash may have been caused by the driver's high heels getting stuck on the gas pedal. This shocking accident is still under investigation. According to a video widely circulated on social media, a young man was driving on the far right lane of the road, an area typically reserved for slow-moving vehicles, transport trucks, and breakdowns. He slammed into the vehicle in front of him at full speed, causing his car to flip over from the force of the impact. This dramatic footage captures a catastrophic event on the A14 motorway near Bologna, Italy, on August 6, 2018. A tanker truck carrying liquefied petroleum gas collided with another truck, leading to a massive explosion. The intense blast caused a section of the motorway bridge to collapse and ignited nearby vehicles. This shocking video from Quebec, Canada shows a dumpster trailer crashing hard into an overhead pedestrian bridge. The collision was so intense that Quebec's Highway 40 had to be shut down for nearly 24 hours. Near the Kulanada junction on MC Road, a four-vehicle collision occurred, leaving 3 people injured. The crash involved a goods lorry registered in Tamil Nadu, a delivery van, and 2 other cars.